Welcome to the Blockchain Report. We discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into more of the Superchain campaign. This is a campaign with different networks, a couple of new networks like Fractal and Cyber, just exploring different networks around the blockchain ecosystem. And this is only until August 30th. Today is the 24th, so we do have less than a week to complete these. This video, I'll try and have it come out early next week, so that way you have plenty of time to complete this, but we do have staking rewards coming up at the end of this. So in 10 days, okay, so I wonder if they'll push this, but before we actually get started and completing this, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way, like the rewards that Layer3 is giving out for staking, like these quests right here, staking rewards, a certain number of L3 tokens that you stake, you will get rewarded for by completing certain quests or campaigns. And also they have races that you can complete. They had one at it was midnight last night, my time, and this race was for a share of Foxy tokens. So I completed this. I managed to get 43rd place. The top 234 get 1,200 Foxy tokens each. That was about $11 just for making a transaction on one of these four networks, but you have to have at least 10,000 L3 tokens staked. And there was only 777 people available spots. And this is the breakdown. So cool rewards mechanisms by Layer3. Mechanisms. But if you do ever need any help or have any questions or comments about anything we cover on the channel, jump in the Discord. Link is in the description below. The Discord's been popping. We've been adding a lot of stuff. We got different tabs for different things, announcements, chats, links, referrals, signals, news, active testnets, and blockchain adventures. A lot of cool features, and we're slowly adding more over time. And I appreciate everyone in there sharing their knowledge and support. And to those of you who are new, please join us, and we will help you along your crypto journey as best as possible. So get in there, join us. And with that, let's dive in. So first up, base names. So secure your unique digital identity with base names. And I minted mine earlier. It looks like you can skip it, but if you really want to farm the base network, I don't know if they'll have an airdrop, but you can come in here and search for your name. So that one's available, but I already minted one. So you can mint that, and there you go. Base name, get your base name. And this is also available on the Coinbase on-chain summer. So while I'm here, I'm going to let you guys know, finish this or keep going with this, because this does go, I think, until August 31st. So you have a week left. Yeah, you can come in here and they actually have it in the play thing. So where's it at? Base name. It was in here somewhere, the base name. But yeah, you get points for that too. All right, next up. Astaria. It's a lending protocol on Base. So learn about Astaria and its points program. Follow them on Warpcast, and we can mint that cube. So another protocol. Now, Cyber is the first restaked Ethereum Layer 2 for social interactions, offering enhanced security, seamless transactions, and decentralized social graph integration. So bridged into Cyber. We did that in the previous video where we cover Cyber, and you will have to use, I think I used the mainnet bridge. And Social Summer, Cyber Social Summer is Web3 campaign promoting social interactions and decentralized identities. Engage with a vibrant Web3 community, make new friends, and share your experiences. Social Summer is all about building connections. So mint on Cyber. Mint any NFT from the Social Summer on the Cyber network. So this is pretty nice. We're going to go ahead and pop this right here. Sign, verify, sign, seal, deliver. All right, so we can mint any NFT. Let's see. We'll just go to mint right here. So 8 cents, 8 pennies. Pretty cheap, low transaction fee, which is great. Minted, bada boom. Then you can skip that if you want. And there we go. Pretty easy. This is great. So I don't know what the rewards will be for this one, but come and check out the Social Summer. I didn't know that this was a thing, but I guess you can come and mint some of these each week. Yeah, pretty cool. You get your points up here. You can connect. So summer tasks. Wow. Yeah, I didn't really know much about this, so pretty interesting. But I guess you can mint each one of these. It's 8 cents, so not a lot to mint. And yeah, come in here and check this out. But Superchain campaign, don't forget to complete these. We did the other videos and these other quests in previous videos. So yeah, if you do need any further assistance, please jump in the Discord, connect with us one-on-one. Link is in the description below. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace.